Is your wallet feeling a little lighter than it should be? Ever wondered what exactly a debit is when it comes to your Lloyds Bank card? You're not alone. Millions of us use these everyday tools, swiping, tapping, and clicking our way through purchases, but the fundamental question remains, what is a Lloyds Bank debit? Let's break it down. Think of your Lloyds Bank debit card as a direct link to your current account. It's not like a credit card, where you're borrowing money that you'll pay back later. Instead, when you use your debit card, the money comes directly and immediately out of your available balance. So, if you have £100 in your account and you spend £20 using your debit card, your balance will almost instantly drop to £80. This immediate deduction is the core of what makes it a debit card. It's a convenient and efficient way to access the funds you already have. Forget carrying around wads of cash. Your debit card allows you to make payments in stores, online, and even over the phone. But it's more than just a plastic rectangle. Your Lloyds Bank debit card comes packed with features designed to make your financial life easier and more secure. For starters, it allows you to withdraw cash from ATMs, both Lloyds Bank machines and those of other providers, though sometimes there might be a small fee for using non-Lloyds Bank ATMs. Beyond simple transactions, your debit card often integrates with contactless payment technology. That little wave symbol on your card means you can make quick, secure payments by simply tapping your card on a compatible reader, usually for amounts up to a certain limit. This speeds up checkout and reduces the need to handle cash. Online shopping has also been revolutionized by debit cards. You can securely enter your card details on websites to purchase goods and services from the comfort of your home. Lloyds Bank employs various security measures to protect your online transactions, but it's always crucial to be vigilant and ensure you're using secure websites. Furthermore, your Lloyds Bank debit card can often be used for setting up direct debits and standing orders. These automated payments are incredibly useful for recurring bills like utilities, rent, or subscriptions, ensuring you never miss a payment and potentially saving you time and hassle. Keeping track of your spending is also made easier with your debit card. Every transaction is recorded in your bank statement, whether you access it online, through the mobile app, or receive it in the post. This detailed record helps you monitor your finances, identify any unusual activity, and stay on top of your budget. Security is paramount, and Lloyds Bank implements several measures to protect your debit card. These include sophisticated fraud detection systems that monitor transactions for suspicious activity. If your card is lost or stolen, you can quickly report it to Lloyds Bank, and they will block it to prevent unauthorized use. You will typically be issued a new card promptly. So, to circle back to our initial question, is a Lloyds Bank debit a gateway to spending money you don't have? Absolutely not. It's a key that unlocks the money you do have, offering a secure, convenient, and versatile way to manage your everyday finances. It's a tool that empowers you to pay for goods and services, access cash, and manage your bills efficiently, all while keeping a clear record of your transactions. It's a fundamental part of modern banking, connecting you directly to your funds whenever and wherever you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.